Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 91 MAZDA MX-5 МИАТА and this is from A case. So I do remember unboxing some MAZDA МИАТА sometime back, but that one has hot tub. This one is, you know, like the coupe version. And so I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I think I might be having one extra on this particular car. So maybe if you see this particular video and if you really want this one, again I don't sell my personal collection, but that is by accident. One of my friend also bought one for me, and without remembering that I bought this one by myself. So I have duplicate now. I need to sell that one for MRP only, and maybe by the time this video is getting aired, if it is not sold, just drop me in the comments. If I'm still having that, I will give it to you guys. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, see, out of the box you can see a lot of paint job issue here. So interior looks really nice. It does look like this foam you see. It looks like foam, but it is actually plastic. Okay, the livery looks good. I don't know why they went with the yellow color. They could have went with some other color, like a red or so. That would have been, like eye candy. So this is actually a pop-up headlights in the actual car. So maybe that's the reason. So even if it is not a pop-up headlight, they're not going to paint everything. But at least I can say for this now, they didn't do that because this actual original car has pop-up headlights. So this is the turn signal, I guess. Yeah, I think so. So this part here, I think this is, if you put it in this way, this looks like Lightning McQueen's mouth from Cars. It does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice. And it has tail light details, of course. Okay. So chassis has some amount of details, including the exhaust. So exhaust details are always nice because that completes the car. Without exhaust details, it is like, I don't know, man. I have a very bad example now. I don't want to tell that now. Think about it: a person with mouth, but not the other outlet. Okay, let's weigh this car first. Okay, 3.3, fine. Okay, let's do a roll test now. No, it doesn't roll really well. So you can see the wheel wobble on the rear wheel. That is a lot actually. The front wheel also has wheel wobble, but compared to the rear wheel, the front wheel is okay. But the rear wheel wobbles a lot and makes the car, move to one side sometimes. See, which is not really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love me, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.